You guys should just move and come and live with us after this view. If this isn't a confirmation, then I don't know what is. Hi Fairs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's Sunday, so happy Sunday. Even though it's Sunday, I woke up this morning and I got some workout in, which was good. And babe made breakfast, which was awesome. I'm proud of him for making breakfast this morning. Don't ask me why am I across the road. I figure more or less we were going to our usual bus stop, but we're going to the opposite side. So I crossed the road and babe like, honey, where are you going? But I'm already across, so I'll go back across in a bit. So I was saying to you guys that it's Sunday, and I woke up, I did my workout, babe made breakfast, and Tyler being a good sport as usual, he hung around and just chill for a bit. And your girl decided that this morning she's going to throw her wig on and look a little bit different. He's across there calling me, I'm coming, honey. I'm coming, I'm just here. So I decided that I'm going to throw my wig on this morning for a different look. So I did just that, and I'm loving the outcome. So as you guys should know by now that we're already off onto another adventure today. Why is the camera so blurry? We're heading off to another adventure today. So we're actually at the bus stop. We're not driving as usual. I'm taking the bus heading into town, and then from town we should be taking Lord, she's just flashing the hair, honey. Oh. Long hair struggles. Oh, your girl is looking super cute today, man. So yeah, we're just heading on another adventure, and baby's here looking all cute, and the boss is here looking extra cute. Say hello. Give them kisses. Give them some kisses. No kisses? Say ma. Good job.
Hi guys. Happy Sunday everybody. We're on the road, Yesterday we didn't really be someone special, so today we decided to do something. So yeah, we hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog.
Give it a thumbs up from now, you guys, because you know when we go on adventures it's awesome. And if it's your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe and keep up with us, you guys. And don't forget to comment down below and say hi. We love talking to you guys. Yeah, your girl enjoying this here today, and she's gonna be just flashing, honey. Babe still can't get used to me in this here, don't babe?
It's not that I can't get used to. You don't used to wear it. So
right, that's true.
I can't get used to. It's the first time I think you wear it since we come back.
That's true.
So
that's true.
I can't get used to.
When I went in the kitchen, he was like, "Ooh, who are you?
Who's that girl?"
Who is that girl? because I was in the room getting ready and he was in the kitchen washing
Try
up
to tell me the
dishes.
same thing.
And he saw me like,
where is Mama?
that's not true. My boy is looking fly, you guys. Look at him. Let me just zoom on him right now. Yes, baby. Let me just zoom that sweetness up, honey. Look at you. He's so sweet. My boy's looking fly. All girls keep off today. No girls today, right, Ty? So you guys, we are in town actually. We got food, so we're all stocked. I think where we're going, babe says there won't be any food, or if there's food, there won't be much around. So we stock up on some food and we're heading to catch our bus and then head to this destination and see where we're gonna end up. Yes, I'm walking, power walking actually. We made it to our destination. We're in the middle of a forest. Oh, there's a tractor run, the trail. We're in the middle of a forest, but it's beautiful. It's like a picnic area. There's lots of cars up here. There's lots of families hanging out having picnic. But we are heading to a, I think babe says a fort. If you guys are Jamaicans or visit Jamaica and visit Port Royal, then you guys would have an idea of exactly what I'm talking about. So there's something like that here that we're going to visit right now, but it's a little walk. I think it's about 10 minutes walk.
I don't know if you can visit it.
So then what's the purpose of going?
Because there's a point of view.
No, I didn't say I didn't want to go. I just want to know why are we going.
Point of view.
Okay, you can see.
Ah, yeah, beautiful view.
Okay, so
That makes you
I'm out of breath. Then why did I work out this morning if I knew I was going to be doing all this working out right now? You see what I mean? But that's okay. That's all right. Baby's pushing Tyler, so he's getting all the working out right now. And there should be a beautiful view where we're heading. But boy, this walking. Good thing is, I'm not in any heels. I'm in comfy shoes today. So that's good. I don't have to be complaining that baby's walking too fast or that my foot is burning or whatever the case may be. So yeah, I think I can see where we're going from where I am right now. You see? All this walking in front of me I gotta do. But don't worry, I have a big burger in the bag. So when I'm finished this walking, I'll refuel.
This is not the...
Hey guys, you see the beach? It's right here. We're actually in the rich part of Nice. Alright you guys, we're walking, okay? The journey continues. Funny enough, I enjoy doing these adventures with babe. As much as how I am always grumpy and complain and too much walking, I really do enjoy creating these memories. You guys, my husband love to walk. He love walk.
I love to see.
He love walk.
I love to see. I have to walk. I walk.
Man, this man can walk.
Yeah, I prefer to walk and see than to do nothing because of the walk.
Oh honey, look at this. Oh my god. Wow. Look at that, you guys. That's a port right down there, all those boats. Let me zoom for you guys so you can see what's happening. There you go. Look at that beauty. Amazing. So check that view out, you guys. It's pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey guys. Oh my god. Look at that. You guys, look at that. That's amaze balls. Oh my god. gorgeous. This is one of the best views I've ever seen. Give that first from this.
Remember the one in Nolan?
In?
With Tucson, that was good too.
With Tucson from where? Where we saw the view from?
No Man's Land.
No Man's Land?
Yeah, well, the story of the
Oh! Lover's Leap. Yeah, Lover's Leap was good to come, babe. Sun is in your eyes. You guys should just move and come and live with us after this view. If this isn't a confirmation, then I don't know what is. Honey, you see, down there is sand.
It's not sandy, but it's not.
It's softer than ours.
Right, right.
Yes, my love. Look at that. I wonder if hotels are down there.
I know behind there, this is one of the most luxury hotels in Dubai.
Where?
I think it's
there are hotels probably be on that side where the beach is.
Where there's a tree boat there. There is the same than here. It makes inside like this, and this is one of the place the most expensive.
But look at
And
the
they
little
have-
island in there. Can you imagine how can you afford a house into that little section? It's crazy.
And they have a big palace. It's not
Over
one-
there too?
In this area, I know there's a big palace. Palace means after 5 stars. After 5 stars.
Oh. Wow. So you guys, we pause and just taking a break to refuel, get some food. Babe already grubbing over there on the stone. We're in the bushes. Bush life. So we're just gonna enjoy our food in these bushes right now. Look at him sitting on the stone like a big boy. Careful and don't let him fall off. Oh Lord, he's so grown already. He's driving his car in the bushes. We're full and we're ready to go again. He's so grown. It's not even funny. Okay, that's the castle. The fort. Okay. My boy's so grown. Go, baby, go. All right. Good job. Wow. What a nice picture spot. Go, baby, go. Go, you and Tyler go there. Honey, you and Tyler go there. There. He's gone about his business. Go. What you want? Go. Wow. That's a beautiful view. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes. You're gone? I think you should wait for me. Be careful. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Look at this fella.
Bonjour. Take your time, Papa. Take your time. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Ah, that's a promenade, babe. Because see the yellow parasailing. That's gorgeous. In green?
The hill.
This?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's where we used to go, where we've been sometime in this valley.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
How the fort looked like. They used, I think it's about 100 years ago that didn't use it, but it was here on top of the hill, so they can see all of this, all of the boat comings in order to defend the city. Right, so we try to see babes there. We try to see if we can go closer and to see different things. So this is where you have to go. Let's go together. Let's go see. Oh, we have a pretty view from up top. So now nothing is unused. Don't know if it's still solid. I'm not gonna try to walk on it. Alright, so that's a wonderful view. Alright, so we're gonna see around if we can do some things, but that's a wonderful view.
Guys, look at this other view. How pretty this is. That's crazy. That's amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, baby. Baby, you have to come. Yeah, the plane is just going in. The airport is just right there. Just right here, that's the airport. That's just turning slightly to land. And this is overlooking all of Nice. Well, actually, this side of Nice is just so beautiful. So that's the place where we went, right?
Yeah.
Man, you guys, this day is nothing short of amazing, don't babe? We had such a good time. We non-stop exploring. We actually just left our last lookout spot, which was so beautiful. Tyler had so much fun. He's here having snack, and we're actually waiting on the bus in about 10 or so minutes. Yes, baby, what do you want? No, eat this. Eat yours. Eat yours, baby. So, the babe pick up the pineapple. So it's about snack time right now. And yeah, we're going to head back into the city and call it another successful adventure. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, and if you have been enjoying all these amazing vlogs, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching us. You guys, we enjoy showing you guys around our beautiful Nice as we are discovering ourselves. Yes, baby.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
Mama?
You wanna give them kisses? You wanna give them
Mama?
some kisses? Mwah. Good boy. I am cooking ackee and saltfish, but it's bittersweet. You know why it's bittersweet? because it's ackee, so it has to be awesome. But I am cooking the last of my ackee that I bring back from Jamaica, so I'm about to die after this. But don't worry, eating it will be the best moment of the day, along with the awesome adventure that we just got back from. And I'm making ackee and saltfish with green fry plantain. That's what I feel like cooking, so that's what we're gonna eat. Okay, you guys, so that's dinner's end result, and I am hungry, very hungry, so we're just gonna dig in real quick. Dinner is ready and everybody's happy.
Give me a hair.
Why do you want my hair?
To do long jump.
To do long jump?
To go to an exam.
Why to go to exam? I don't
For
understand.
example, if you have an exam, you give me your hair and I do exam for you. I am Melissa.
You're so hilarious. You guys, can you tell that we're tired? We are so tired. It's not even funny. So we're just basically coming on to end the vlog, but first we're going to give you the Jamaican expression and the French word or expression of the day. So the Jamaican expression for today is going to be airy. Airy. If somebody in Jamaica said to you, yeah man, me airy, they're simply telling you that yes, they're okay, they're doing well, they're doing fantastic. So the Jamaican expression for today is
Airy.
alright.
Yeah man, me airy.
Alright.
Yeah, wagwan, huh? Me airy.
So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. Make sure you get it. What's the French word or expression for today, babe?
I was thinking donner sa langue au chat. Donner sa langue au chat mean like you give up. But you give up in terms of not in a game, in a guessing. So for example, if someone asks you some things as a question or as a guess, and you don't know the answer, like you're thinking, you don't want to give up, and you say, okay, je donne ma langue au chat.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Is the word by word mean to give his tongue to the cat. Donner, to give, sa langue, like his tongue or her tongue, au chat, cat, to the cat.
Okay.
So, donner sa langue au chat mean like to give up, like for example, ask you,
okay, understand.
So you have to say it.
Okay. Donner sa langue au chat.
Yeah, but you have to say it, for example, for you. Je donne ma langue au chat.
Je donne ma langue au chat.
Right.
Alright. So there you guys have the French expression for today. I love this one today. This one sounds good. I like it. Alright, you guys. So there you have both of our expressions for today. Hopefully you guys really enjoy today's vlog.
You know what it reminded me when I was trying to learn English, and you think too much about your first language because you don't master the language, and then sometimes you just want to translate, and sometimes you just say, okay, I give my tongue to the cat. Sometimes it doesn't work.
So hilarious. So hilarious.
Sometimes it doesn't work, and then you feel alone and you say, did I say something's wrong?
Funny. Alright, you guys, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. We love you guys. Thank you guys for always watching. And yes, Tyler is off to bed. He had a long day, was pretty tired. Catch up and keep up, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.